Good morning, bro. How are you? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. I can hear you. Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. I think two more people will join. Let's wait for them. 5 to 10 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah. So let's start the session. Can everyone hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Fine then, chalo. So everyone knows like what exactly is digital marketing, right?
Yes.
Okay, so what is digital marketing? Anyone of you? Shruti?
Hello, can we start now?
Yeah, please.
You will start.
No, I mean I asked like what is digital marketing? The definition, a small definition. Acha, no one wants to tell.
Digital marketing is the promotion to promote anything in digitally in internet.
So digital marketing is not like online marketing, as you said, like through internet. So digital marketing is nothing but promoting any product or service via electronic device or electronic media.
Okay.
Okay, right.
Have you started recording this session?
Yes. I have started that, but you may not
Okay.
receive all the recordings, ma.
Mm,
Yeah, because they won't upload it in YouTube. They may upload only one or two videos initially, and after that they won't upload anything. So don't depend upon recordings. If you have any doubts,
okay.
yes, you can ask at any time, but don't depend upon recordings. If you miss one recording, means you will miss everything. Better try to write important points.
Okay.
Anyhow, we'll be having practical sessions. That is different point. So, chalo. So digital marketing is nothing but promoting any product or service through electronic device. Okay,
Mm,
and online marketing is a part of digital marketing.
Okay.
Okay, it
okay.
is not like digital marketing is nothing but online marketing, but online marketing is a part of digital marketing. So you might be having some
Okay.
confusion. What is the difference between both, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Then why don't you ask, ma? Let it be. So tell me some examples, like where I can use internet. I mean, I will categorize this into like digital marketing into two types, online as well as offline marketing. It is a combination of online plus offline marketing, but the condition is even if it is offline, I should use electronic device to promote any product or service. Offline
Okay.
marketing is not, I mean, you don't think like offline marketing is nothing but once again newspaper and all. It is not traditional marketing I'm talking about. In digital marketing is promoting product or service through electronic device, right? So in digital marketing,
Yes.
once again we have like online as well as offline.
Okay.
So now tell
Okay.
me, what are the devices that we have where we can use internet to promote any product or service?
Mobile.
Mm,
Mobile,
Great. And
laptop.
tablet.
laptop, right? Tablet, okay. Okay, so
Yes.
these are the examples, right? Desktop, laptop, or mobile,
Yes.
tablets, whatever, right? Now tell me what are the what are the electronic devices that we have where we can use those devices to promote any product or service without internet.
SMS.
Excellent. SMS, there we won't use any internet, still we can send SMS, right? And we are using electronic
Yes.
device. And what we have? Sorry,
Thinking.
you're not audible.
Thinking, sir.
Ran-
And I don't know. I'm thinking. I'm also thinking.
Acha, you're saying thinking. Okay, I didn't get that.
I'm also thinking for the first time. I don't know.
Think.
For email marketing, also we need internet.
Right. So I will tell you. So
Okay.
television is an electronic device
Yes, yes, yes,
where
yes.
you can see
Okay.
advertisements,
Yes,
electronic billboards, radio,
yes.
all
Okay.
falls under like digital marketing only. But let's say, for example, if you get a job in digital marketing field, organizations will not ask you to create ads for televisions. Am I correct?
Yes,
And they won't ask you to like become radio jockey to promote their product for radios,
yes.
right? And they won't ask you to send SMS to each and everyone,
Right.
right? So that is the main reason people are not considering offline technique or offline method into this digital marketing. Not only that, in offline marketing, I'm talking about digital marketing. In offline method, we cannot track anything like
Right,
in
sir.
radio jockey or television or SMS. So if there is no internet, it is difficult to track any kind of information of user. So that is the main reason why organizations or people won't consider offline techniques into digital marketing.
Right,
But
sir.
blindly don't say that digital marketing is nothing but online marketing. If
Okay.
anyone asks you, like you can describe them, like what exactly is digital marketing. Then HR or technical round you can easily pass.
Okay.
Got my point here?
Yes, sir.
Right. So now in digital marketing, like we have different what we call modules. Okay, we use to promote any product or service. Anil Kumar has arrived. Okay, Anil, welcome to the stream. Okay, so in digital marketing, we have different modules like search engine marketing, mobile marketing, email marketing, social media, analytics, everything. So we'll start with SCM initially.
Okay.
Okay, so what is SCM?
Search engine marketing.
Good. And what is search engine marketing? I mean, what is search engine?
Search engine is Google, Google and all this web browser are the search engines.
Web browser is a browser, man, not a search engine.
Okay.
Cool. Where is my browser?
Where we can search.
Okay, where we can search and what search engine will do?
Search engine will give us the requested resource in
Yeah,
browser.
whatever you type, it will fetch the data from Google database and it will give information, right? Let's say, for example, SEO services and we got some results here, right? So
Right.
what is search engine marketing? We know about search engine and what is search engine marketing. Out of 100 people, 99 people will say like search engine marketing is nothing but paid marketing like PPC, Google Ads, Bing Ads. But
Okay.
that is not the correct answer. Okay, listen carefully. Search engine marketing includes both SEO, I mean free plus paid.
Okay.
Okay,
Uh,
so what?
it includes
Yeah,
what?
free and paid technique. You can see here SEO plus Google Ads or Bing Ad Center. Combination of free and paid results, whatever we see here in search engines, means people are doing some promotions in search engine. Either it is free or paid. The combination of free and paid is nothing but search engine marketing. In free is nothing but SEO here, and paid is nothing but ads. यहाँ तक समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Clear,
Sagar.
right? Very good. So now we'll start with SEM. In SEM, we'll start with SEO. So what is SEO? As you know, SEO is nothing but search engine optimization. Am I correct?
Yes.
Right. So before getting into SEO, SEO again divided into two parts here. Okay, one is on-page optimization and the other is off-page optimization. So these are the techniques we use while optimizing any website. Okay, so we have on-page and we have off-page, right? So
Right.
what are these on-page and off-page? I will explain you today. Okay, and whatever the points that you're seeing here, nothing but like activities we can say. In on page what we do these many things. In off page what we do these many things. Okay, so before getting into that, once again let's come from basics here. So I will ask you some questions, okay, to make this session interactive.
Okay, sir.
Good. Okay, so now tell me, if you want to start a new business, okay, what you will do, what will be your steps? I need basic level answers, step by step, crystal clear. You
What
got an idea to start any kind of business. Let's say if you want to start a mobile shop, that is your idea. You
first
decided to start. Yeah, please go ahead.
I will think about the success rate of that business in that area, or like whether it is demanding in the market or not, whether it is offline or online. It should be profitable for them.
Okay, after you have, you have already decided to start that business, man. Now tell me what would be your next step?
Next step would be to target the customer or get the
हम्म हम्म
customer.
हम्म हम्म। आइडिया आ गया जब भी टारगेट भी कर दिया आप।
Okay,
शॉप
now
कहाँ पर लगाए भाई?
set up.
Think
Now you start doing advertisement.
direct advertisement. You just got an idea, that's
Okay,
it.
let's start working on that business.
Sorry.
Uh, Start working on that to establish whatever the idea I have got.
Okay, how? That's
We'll
what I'm
start.
asking. How you will establish? What will be your first step?
Suppose
Very basic. हाँ बोलो.
I have got an idea to start a e-commerce business. So I will start uh, like getting the resources to build my website.
अरे तुम डिजिटल में चले गए. My question was, if you want to start any mobile shop business, what you will do? Shop in traditional marketing.
You
Forget
need
about digital. Forget
Okay,
about websites and all.
I'll get a place first.
Excellent. What you will get?
Place.
You will get place first. Good. Next.
Money.
Acha, without money you'll get the place, right?
Start keeping mobiles and accessories inside the shop.
अच्छा, एक प्लेस देख लिया, वहां पर जाके पूरे मोबाइल्स डाल दिया.
Okay.
स्टेप बाय स्टेप आ जाओ.
Place. Mm, uh, infrastructure first.
प्लेस ही खरीदा है आपने, बिल्डिंग नहीं. प्लेस हायर लिया या खरीदा आपकी मर्जी. वहां पर खाली आपको प्लेस है बस.
एक छोटा सा शॉप है, काइंड ऑफ.
No, there is no shop. You have taken only place there. Now what will be your next step?
That empty place. No.
हाँ,
Okay.
पूरा आंसर मैं ही दे रहा हूँ यार.
Sorry.
Now tell me. At least now tell me.
Yeah, we'll make like
You will
we'll put
construct, let's say shop, and after that what you will do? कंस्ट्रक्ट करने के बाद क्या करोगे? स्टेप बाय स्टेप आओ, डायरेक्ट मत खुदो कि मोबाइल पूरे शॉप में डाल दूंगा.
Okay. पेंट वगैरह करो.
श्रुति सो रहे हो क्या? ओके, पेंट.
नहीं.
हाँ, साइलेंट हो गए तो डाउट आया मुझे. कलर्स, ओके. इंटीरियर, ये पूरा आएगा नेक्स्ट स्टेप, राइट? नेक्स्ट क्या करोगे?
फर्नीचर. That.
चलो, इंटीरियर में आ गया फर्नीचर. नेक्स्ट.
Now so we can put mobile and
Yeah,
equipment.
now you can put adding products in your shop. हाँ, products भी add कर लिया. Next, construct shop, and here we will give some name to the shop. Okay, adding products, and then
Let's see. This after this I think the shop is ready to.
yeah, now the shop is ready. What you will do?
Okay, now initially I will put my shop name.
हाँ,
Name.
name हो गया यहाँ पर. Name हो गया. Name is finished. Adding colors is
Now you
finished.
will start
Adding
voting.
products. Good. अब श्रुति ने जाग गई है. चलो.
But sir, you
Now,
not talk about money. First of all, we need money. Then we can buy a place.
yeah, that's what you said. After place, you need money. Now you got some clarity, right? Any doubts here, anyone?
Yes.
Okay, but this is not our business, right? Our business is digital marketing. Now, finding a place or purchasing a place is nothing but in digital marketing, buying, hosting, or we can also call it as space. In internet, we have to buy some space. Why?
There we will run our business.
Sorry?
Like when we'll get a place, then only we can run our business.
Now, in that space, what you will do in digital marketing?
We'll keep our shop
Shop means
website.
good. Here we don't have any physical location. A location is website. Okay. Any doubts here?
No.
Now, shop name is nothing but, for example, lot mobiles we have, universal we have, like that. We'll buy domain name for our website. It might be anything.com, so mobiles.com. This is our shop name now. Shruti, are you getting? Anil, are you getting my point?
Yes, yes.
No confusion, right? Sai Prasad, are you getting my
No.
point? I think everyone is sleeping. Anil is sleeping. Okay. Anil, type karo. Chalo. Now, so adding paint, colors, interiors is nothing but giving proper structure to your website, or we can also call it as web design.
Yes.
Okay.
Hmm. Yes.
Designing part. Good. Now adding products is nothing but
Same.
adding
Adding product.
Okay.
content or products, okay, in your website. Now promotions is nothing
Yes.
but promotions only. Okay, now these things, okay, except this purchasing, hosting and all, okay, and website domain name, everything except this, what I select, adding colors or extra decoration to your website and adding products to the website is nothing but on page optimization. Means whatever the process you do within a web page or within a website, okay, that is nothing but on page optimization. पेज के अंदर जो भी काम चलेगा, it might be content or it might be adding images or it might be adding products to your page. So within a page, whatever you do, that is called as on page optimization. Is that clear?
Okay.
So
Yes,
what we do in on page optimization means we do keyword research, we do meta tags development, we do content optimization, URL optimization, header tags, alt tags, title tags. You will come to know each and everything, don't worry. So these are the activities, basic activities that we do while doing on page optimization. Getting my point?
yes, sir.
Now whatever the process we do outside the shop, we don't do promotions within the shop, right?
Yes.
Okay, we do promotions outside our shop. That is nothing but off page optimization. Means whatever the activities we do outside the web page is nothing but off page optimization. So why we do optimization, I mean off page optimization? Okay, why
So,
we do promotions here, why we do market or product?
so that the users or customers can come.
Come to your shop.
Right.
So why we do off page optimization here?
Same can come to our website.
Why? To increase the traffic towards our web page or a website. Getting my point? So here physically customers have to come to our shop to buy any product or to take any service. Whereas in digital marketing, what they will do, they will come to your website to buy any product or service. As simple as that. Okay, so why we do off-page optimization means to increase traffic. What is traffic here?
Number of users.
Audience.
Yep, number of users coming to your website or a web page. There's nothing but traffic, so don't get confused. So to increase traffic, we do off-page optimization. So one more question, like who are relevant audience? How can you define like relevant audience for your business?
based on the location and plus age.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I will give only 20% to that. So if people are coming to your shop, okay, I mean, let's say the same age group that we were targeting and the same gender. I mean, I have like 1,000 visits to my shop daily, but no conversions are happening. Do you think those are relevant customers to us?
No, sir.
No, right? So if you're getting, I mean, thousand and lakhs of traffic towards your shop, I'm not talking about website, towards your shop, do you think will it work
Um,
if there are no
No.
conversions?
Without conversion, it will not work.
Yeah, without conversion, it will not work, right? The same manner, what people will do means, like to get huge traffic towards their website, people use different methods.
Right.
For example, agar if you have any like kids product, okay, you are the owner of kids products, like let's say toys, okay,
Right, sir.
and from where you may get more business, I mean, let's say I'm talking about kindergarten schools, okay, and international business schools,
Okay.
or let's say BTech colleges or degree colleges. We have different categories. Okay, so if you are distributing your visiting card or pamphlet of your business in kindergarten to parents will work for you, or if you're distributing same pamphlet to BTech colleges or degree colleges or any other educational institutions, will that work for you?
For BTech and degree colleges, it will not work.
Good, right? So what people will do to get irrelevant traffic, I mean, they won't care about relevant or irrelevant. To increase the traffic towards their website, people uses different techniques. Means uh, I mean, they will distribute your pamphlets to everywhere.
Okay.
Traffic may come to your shop, but there won't be any conversions because you're not doing it in right way. Okay,
Right.
so here I'm using pamphlet, right, or visiting card. Okay, now in off page, what we do?
Advertisement.
I mean, same thing we do, but here we can't distribute visiting cards or pamphlets, right? We have to
Yes.
do this process using internet. Means instead of visiting card or instead of pamphlet, what I can do, I can submit my website link in different websites, so that if people are coming to that particular website, okay, they will see my link. If they are interested, they will come to my website. In that
Right.
way, I will increase my traffic. Shruti, clear?
Yes.
Anil, clear? ये बंदा सो गया. Okay, so here once again the problem is to increase the traffic. Once again, what they will do, Anil, good. To increase traffic, what they will do? Okay, Sai Prasad has some doubt here. Sai Prasad, listen carefully. Where was I? Like, okay, here in on, I mean, if I'm talking about traditional marketing, if you have any shop physically located anywhere in Amirpet, if you have any shop, okay, to increase the traffic, what are the activities you do? That is more important. The people who are coming to your shop are not important. The relevant people who will buy from your shop, those people are important for us. Okay, so your target should be target relevant customers, not all the customers. That is my point here. Same thing in digital marketing. Okay, for your website, relevant traffic is important, not all the traffic. Okay, Some people will say if you have lot of traffic towards your web page, automatically your web page will be in top position in Google search engine. But that is not true. Those days are gone. Now Google is giving importance to the content, not to the traffic. Okay, let's say for example, for my shop, to increase irrelevant traffic, what I can do? Let's say I will tell all the people that today Shah Rukh Khan is going to come to my shop to buy any product. I have distributed pamphlets. Will people come or not?
People will come to see Shah Rukh Khan.
Exactly. Okay. And after coming to that shop, if there is no Shah Rukh, what they will do?
They, like,
Purchase.
they will go. They'll simply
हाँ, अगर रफ बात करना है तो मारेंगे, वो अलग बात है. What they will do? They will simply walk away from there.
right.
Right. The next day, once again, same ad. I will tell like today Shruti Hassan will come. You may get traffic once again.
Yes.
Okay. After that, they will walk away. They won't at least wait for 5 to 10 minutes. If they come to know that is false news, okay, what they will do? They will run away. Okay. So what I'm doing here, by using different techniques, I'm able to get more number of traffic towards my shop. Okay.
Right.
But I'm losing trust of the users.
Correct, sir.
Right. So tomorrow if Salman Khan is coming really, okay, people won't believe you. Right. The simple example is why Google search engine is famous. Like we have crores of search engines, man. We have at least lakhs of search engines in market, but why only Google is famous? Why more than 80% of crowd is using Google search engine? Can anyone answer?
Using its unique technique.
Sorry.
Google has its own different technique other than as compared to other search engines.
हाँ वो तो है लेकिन genuine reason बताओ यार.
Okay,
This is
so
not like a
Nobody,
stereotype.
use it content, sir.
no,
Sorry, use it.
Google is
nobody
important.
knows about other systems.
Nobody. एक मिनट रुक जाओ भाई. एक
Nobody
मिनट रुक
knows
जाओ.
about.
Nobody knows about other search engines. That's why everyone is using Google. You mean to say?
Yes. Yes.
No, 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 no. It is not like that. Okay. The answer is whenever I type something here, it will give you the exact data. If I'm asking for Shah Rukh, it will show only Shah Rukh images. Previously in Google also we had a lot of issues. If you type like Shah Rukh Khan pics, Salman Khan pics will also appear. But what user was expecting?
Shah Rukh.
Shah Rukh pics, right? In the same way, most of the people, what they will do, I mean, let me answer this question first. So why Google is famous means it will provide you the relevant information.
Okay.
Okay, if I'm typing for Shah Rukh and I am getting only Salman Khan pics, what people will do? People will never visit this search engine again. Getting my
Right.
point?
Yes.
So whatever I type, it will show the exact details. That's why people are trusting this search engine and using it. And it is very user friendly. That is different matter. But the more important point is like it will provide you the relevant information. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yeah. To cheat this, what people will do? They will keep title as Shah Rukh Khan pics. After entering into the website, you will see Salman Khan pics. Getting my
Okay.
point? It means it is getting traffic, but not relevant traffic. Okay. Now tell me how I can identify whether that is genuine traffic or fake traffic. I'm not selling any product here. I'm just providing some information. Let's say if you say if I'm getting conversions, that is genuine. Okay, that is not correct answer for my question here, because I'm not selling any product. I'm not selling any service. Okay, I have just informative website. Okay, I have written some articles. I'm getting lot of traffic. I want to identify like whether it is genuine or not.
Yeah.
Okay, so what might be the algorithm here? How Google is thinking? How Google knows which is genuine traffic? How Google will identify?
With the help of content, sir.
Content, yeah,
Yes.
through content also you can cheat search engines. That is not a big deal.
Don't-
Okay, let me answer this for you. If people are coming to your website and if people are staying for more time on your web page, okay, Google will consider this as genuine traffic, because after coming to my web page within seconds if he is left, that means I did not provide proper information to the user. If I'm providing proper information to the user which user were looking for, definitely he will read it. Am I correct?
Yes.
And he will stay more time on that particular web page. If you can stop your customer for more time, okay, then he is your relevant customer, we can say. Is that clear?
Yes.
So we have to write better content, we have to give better presentation in web pages so that we can stop any user on our web page. So the more time the user stays on your web page, the more value you will be getting.
Okay.
That's why people will say content is king in digital marketing. Content plays the
Content
major.
scheme.
Content is king, Raja.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, so content plays the major role here. Okay. So if you cheat customers by adding titles like Shah Rukh Khan best picks, and users are going to that website and finding some other random pics, what will happen? User
Uh,
will simply within seconds he will close that website. Now what Google will think, this guy is not providing relevant information to the user, so we have to keep this website in bottom. Getting my
Okay.
point?
yes, sir.
Any doubts here?
No.
बोर लग रहा है क्या?
No, sir.
No.
अनिल सो रहे? अनिल समझ में आ रहा है? अनिल फिर से सो गया, चलो. No problem. So in off-page optimization, what are the activities that we have? We have so many activities. Okay. So my last question for this session, what do you think? Like either on-page optimization is more important or off-page optimization is more important?
I think both, sir.
Both are important, but the
But
percentage,
off page.
let's say.
On page.
Off page.
On page is more important, sir.
On page is more important, off page. Okay, out of 100,
Off
on page
page.
को कितना? हाँ, okay, श्रुति सुन लिया मैंने. Out of 100, for off page, Shruti, how much percentage you will give?
What? Which one? On page or off
For
page?
off page.
Off page is 60%. 60,
Okay,
70%.
70% off page. And Ranjan,
90% I'll give to on page, sir.
Okay. Sai, which one is important? On page or off page? You can type.
Yes.
ये भी सो गया.
Hello.
Off
No, no,
page is
no. Sorry.
important.
It should be on page.
Sorry.
On page is more important. Content is more important.
क्यों इंटरनेट में देख रहे हो क्या?
नहीं वो मैंने गलती से बोल दिया था पहले.
Okay, Sai, are you there? Yes. Which one is important? On page optimization or off page? Off page is important. Okay. The answer is on page is important. More than 80% value goes to on page and the remaining 20% goes to off page because your shop is important to you. Getting my point? How you are presenting your shop to attract the customers, your shop is important, not the ad. Okay, even though if you are investing in crores here for promotions, if your shop is not good, you will not get business. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Right. So on page is very important and on page optimization is one time process. Off page optimization is regular process. यानी कि we only construct our shop one time until and unless we change the location.
Right, sir.
Okay, adding products and paints all are like one time process and the marketing is daily you have to do. Okay, so daily you have to do off page optimization if you get SEO job. Okay, so what they will do, they will generate backlinks using off page optimization. What are backlinks here? Backlink is nothing but links from other website to your website. The more you have relevant backlinks, the more value you will be getting. Remember, I said relevant. Okay, for example, let's say if you want to join your kid or if you want to take admission into any business schools like that for your kid and you visited that school and asked watchman like, is this a good school? And he said, yes, it is very good. Once upon a time, I was a student here. Okay, will you join or will you take admission there for your kid?
No, sir.
No.
No. So getting a link from that college, school, or whatever website or anything else is waste. You will not get any value. Okay. Same question. You asked one collector, he suggested one school and he said like I was a student there. Now you'll be having some value. Am I
Right.
correct?
Yes, sir.
Getting relevant links are more important here. For example, if you are doing mobile business, okay, getting backlinks from mobile business related website is a good thing for you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. For example, if people are visiting any other website, they don't know about your website, you are not even in top position. Okay. So people have visited any other websites or classified websites, something else to research about mobiles. Okay, there you have already submitted your website link by saying like we are selling these products for this much price or any attractive ad. Okay, so he may read your ad and he will click on that link, he will get back to your website. Okay,
Yes, sir.
if you're submitting the same link, your website link, somewhere it's like Java tutorials website.
No.
Okay, will you get backlink from there? Will you get any value? No. So always try to get relevant backlinks. So those techniques you'll be learning, don't worry, those are very, 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 very easy. Okay, entire off page optimization will get covered in only one session, trust me. It is all about how to submit a link in different websites. The techniques are different, but the concept is same for off-page optimization. Okay.
Okay.
So we'll spend more time on on-page activities. So any doubts so far?
No.
Sure. Anyone?
No.
No. Very good. So we'll start with the keyword research tomorrow. Okay. So if possible, try to read something about keyword research in internet, because I will ask some doubts before starting the class. I'm not asking you to learn everything from internet, just go through that so that you'll be getting some idea. So if you get some time, try to do some research on keyword research topic, like how to do keyword research or what is keyword research. Try to understand something from internet so that, like, when I explain, okay, you can easily understand the topic.
Okay.
So any doubts?
No.
No. Ranjan, any doubts? No. Sai, any doubts? Anil, any doubts? No. Okay, great. Anil, any doubts? ये भी नहीं उठा. Good. So clear, right? So we'll meet tomorrow, guys. Okay.
Sir.
Chilo then. Bye bye. Have a good day.
Okay.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.